Hey guys, I'm just gonna show you some stuff that's going on in the garden. Um, Got sunflower here with the pollen spilling over onto the leaf there, and a different variety of sunflower there. The pepper garden is area is kind of getting overrun by weeds and stuff. And then we got our broccoli that's still putting out some stuff right now, so we've been using that. There's a little bit of basil underneath that, and some parsley that's kind of hidden under there too. Last of the cucumbers, and the yellow squash they're putting a few more out, but it's coming to a close. And there's still a lot of cayenne peppers in there. It's just messy looking. Got the purple basil, and there's my cat manja. And these tomato plants gave me one tomato. I think it's because they weren't in the sun. My other tomato plants were doing great. They had basically no shade, just heat all the time. Got some Swiss chard, rainbow Swiss chard right here. And behind that, that's lemongrass. I'm gonna go around about and show you the orange tree. This tree is giving us oranges every year, and they're very tasty. Got a little butterfly there. That's fennel. We eat the little flowers and stuff in the leaves. And there's my one lemon from my lemon tree. And our artichokes, we've been eating these artichokes. And they've been really tasty, but it's kind of going downhill right now towards the end of summer and going into fall. And that one's looking all right. Blackberry bush, another blackberry there. That's where the zucchinis were. I'm gonna plant some lettuce and cabbage in there. Persimmon tree. Can't wait to eat those. Rosemary. Our peach tree. Oop. Got darkened out there, but the peach tree has given us just a few peaches, but they've been good. Talk to you later. Bye.